everyone, this is Maria. Recently, I went over to Redlands to get my hair done, and next door is this store that's called the Cakewalk. So when I first saw this store, I thought it was going to be a store like a bakery. And so when I walked in, I realized it was a store for bakers, for them to buy their supplies. On the last aisle in the store, and it's not a very big store at all, but it's really cool, they had all of these supplies, you guys. They just had all these different bins for little decorations that you could put on top of cupcakes and cakes. I mean, look how fun and colorful these are. Just in the bag, they look really cool. And so I just started buying some of them, you guys. I can't remember how much I spent. I know it wasn't that much because each of these rings were like a quarter. And I thought for sure I'd be able to use these with some of my crafting. So let's go ahead and open this bag. I love the way they packaged them for me. And so I'm going to use my scissors here. Also, you guys, I have this plastic mason jar and I thought I'd put them in here. And so this way I can see them, and when I do get around to crafting thinking I might be able to use them, I'll have them right on hand. So you guys, let's go ahead and start with this one. Look how cute, this little pink unicorn. And it's a ring. And so you could use these as party favors or put them on top of cupcakes. They're just so cute, you guys. I love them. So I believe this was a quarter or 29 cents, something like that. So I'm just gonna put that one in there. And then we have this blue one. I just love it, love it, love it. So much fun. And so I'm gonna put that one in there. And then we have this little cupcake. So cute, you guys, right? And oh, look at this turtle, this little sea turtle. I love this, so cute. I think I can get that one on my pinky. Well, maybe halfway on my pinky, but really cute. And then we have another cupcake. I love this, love it. And we have a school bus. So you can see they have so many themes there. I just picked up one of each of these rings, and trust me, you guys, there were still a lot of these left that I didn't buy. That's why I'd love to go back. Look at this little whale, so cute. And then we have this cute little doggy. Oh my gosh, so adorable. And then look at this little owl with the graduation cap. I just love this. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm gonna say that a lot. I also bought another unicorn. I must have thought it was really cute, and it is. And then look at this little ice cream. You could just put that right into a cupcake. And, oh, look at Minnie Mouse. There's Minnie with her big pink bow. And here's Mickey. Look at this. This is a sand dollar. Isn't that pretty? Just really like that. And oh, this is so funny. This sort of reminded me of Mr. Potato Head, this mustache. So fun. And here's another owl. And then we have, oh, look at that, little art easel. And then, oh, another owl. Apparently, I really love these owls. I do, you guys. I almost said cute. And then this little dog with his tongue hanging out. And then we have this little piggy, the little pink piggy. A little red schoolhouse. It looks like a one-room schoolhouse, like from the olden days. And look at this cute little fluffy sheep. Oh my gosh, look at this. I knew I fell in love with this too, you guys. Little starfish. And then we have, I love it, you guys. I love it. Look at the little rocket ship. I love the colors on it. And that's what I think it is, you guys. I love all of these colors. Look at this little fish. And check this out. Isn't this cool? And those look like gears and a cute little crab. And could this be the cow that jumped over the moon? Popsicles. I love that one too, you guys. And here's another ice cream. And a cute little chick. A light bulb. Some flip-flops. Arg, a pirate hat. And a beautiful seashell. And it looks like this is a chalkboard. It says, welcome back, so it must be the first day of school. And I had to have these Christmas trees for sure. And these palm trees were just way too cute. Now I know I paid a little bit more for these. I can't remember how much, but it was a little bit more. So that's all of them, you guys. And it looks like I'm going to need a bigger jar. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a fun and happy day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.